Let me show you how you can create this typography effect in Adobe Illustrator. First things first, I'm going to grab my rectangular tool and I'm going to draw a rectangle shape. So I'll pick my selection tool and I'll go to color swap and swap colors, then swap outline to fill, then turn off outline. So I'll go and pick my gradient tool and click on the rectangle once. So I'll go and expand the gradient panel. I'll double click on the node and change the color. After that, I'll pick my selection tool and I'll move it in the middle. So I'll hold alternate and drag to make a duplicate. And to make multiple duplicates, now I'll hold Ctrl plus D several times to make duplicates. I'll select all of them and make sure they are centered, aligned. So expand alignment panel and make sure they are aligned in the middle. So I'll move it in the middle of the artboard and I'll go to Object, then I'll navigate to Envelope Distort and I'll choose Make with Mesh. So I'll go with 5 rows and 5 columns, then I'll now click OK. So to create this effect, I'll pick my direct selection tool, click on the nodes and then adjust as you wish. So I'm going to create something similar to a valley or something wavy. So I just click on a node and moves slightly as I like. So after that, I'll proceed to type tool and type just S. So I'm going to use S. And I'll go to Properties, Expand, Properties panel. I'll go to Font and I'll use Euro Black. So I'll right click and create outlines. So I'll collapse the panel and I'll adjust it in the middle of the object. So I'll pan this aside and pick my artboard tool. So I'll hold alternate on the keyboard and drag, click and drag to create a duplicate of the artboard. I'll go back and pick my selection tool. So I'll grab S and hold shift and adjust to maintain size. So I'll select both of them and right click and make a clip mask. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Peace.